See that? I made that wreath. And again, it's fuchsia and silver. Has a little silver shoe in there. I like shoes. Oh, I love shoes. And that's that for that wreath. I made that. Isn't that nice? Okay, now I'm trying to take you back over. Nice and easy so that I don't get you sick, okay? But this is the desk. This is my vanity. And I sit right here now in the living room. Right here in the sofa. And here is my vanity. And over here, this is where I watch the TV. This is where it all goes down. And on the TV, you can see where my vanity is going down the hall. That's the mirror right there in the box. But this is it. Now I'm going to walk you easily so that I don't get you sick. But this is my studio. And that is what's up. My studio. My studio. Now, let's see, can I put you back without getting you sick? And there's another wreath I made. The first wreath that I showed you that I made. And let's see, can I put this back so that I can enjoy my strawberry delight. You see that strawberry delight? Whipped cream, Cool Whip, strawberries smashed up, whipped up, Sara Lee pound cake under the bottom, and that is what's up. Let's see, can I put it back the way I had it now? Let's just see. What? You mean the whole time you guys couldn't see me? The whole time you couldn't see what I was eating? Oh man, that's not good. I'm just going on, enjoying my food, and you couldn't see me? Oh man. Okay. I backed myself up here into a corner. Okay, I'm sorry about that, you guys. Good thing that I showed you the studio when I did, because I got more fish there. Okay. But that's what's up for this Wednesday. I'm still not going to get myself anything to eat. Drink. But that's okay. I'm going to get on over there. And on top of that, I am going to elevate that plate so that you guys can see what's going on. You can see what's up. I didn't get myself anything to drink. Nothing at all to drink. Nothing that I get to drink. I'm just finished choking it on down too. No need of me trying to start now, because I gotta hurry up. Okay, I hope you can see that better. I just hope. I hope that you like my studio. Excuse me. Nice and small. But hey, I'm in there. I just love it. So I just keep looking at it. Keep looking at it. But if you put on makeup, you must have one of those. And maybe that'll help me now to get these lashes on right. Oh my God. A Serrano is old, but it keep on and keep on and keep on trying to get to the back of my throat. And you know, once it gets to the back of your throat, it's all over. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Don't let that Serrano come up and choke you. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. So for that's what's up Wednesday. That was up for me. How about for you? What's up? What's up? What's up Wednesday? So I'm gonna start concentrating on my beat now, you guys. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. At least I can do that in the living room. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. And now I just gotta figure out how to clear that C drive. I got an easy store box, but I don't know how to do it. Get it over there. Oh God. Well, told me I'm gonna have to go to school to learn this stuff and get it really down. Maybe I can get a certificate in that. You know? Everything I do, I just go get a certificate in this, go get a certificate in that, go get a license in this, go get a license in that. I'm gonna put this right there for a minute. I'm gonna indulge in this because if the camera goes off, we'll be done. Thank you. If this is your first time stopping by Dee Dee's main thing, thank you. Thank you. If you've been here before, thank you. Big shout out to you. Oh, big shout out to you if you've been here before. Thank you so much for coming by, stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Let's see, yeah, look like you can see pretty good. I'll get that fork up later on when I'm not on your time. I don't know how I let that fork get away from me. Anyway, I got another. So, the way I made this strawberry shortcake, I put Sara Lee pound cake on the bottom of the plate. I cut up strawberries and whipped cream in the whipped cream bowl container. And I just stirred them around and popped them on. I was running out of time because I wanted to hurry up. My fish was getting done. So what I did, I didn't put as many strawberries as I would like to. But I did put a lot. Is your mouth watering yet? Mine is. I'm going to push this right here. Oh, I wonder if, you know what? I'm going to just switch all the way up to make sure that you can see. And it's not going to be any clacking plate here tonight. It's too late for a clacking plate. But I got some bells. I got some jingle bells. In case you didn't know, Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. It's delicious. And of course you can use as many strawberries as you like or as many strawberries as you don't like. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. This is very delicious, you guys. Very delicious. I told you my sister and I was rolling through Santa Ana. You can find anything there. They got a taco truck. They got seafood truck. They got fruit in the hood. Just never know where they're going to pull out their little pop-up. My sister got a whole bag of oranges, and I got a whole box of strawberries. That's one thing about her. She goes so slow, but she got everything she needs. I'm telling you, she got everything you could think of. So when she was pulled over, I couldn't even get mad at her. Because while she was getting the oranges, I was like, okay, I'll take some strawberries. So, girl. It's like that moment that you realize, guess what, you're not going to be home in time to get something going. And I wasn't. So I didn't even try. I just went on to bed. What did I have? I think I made myself a strawberry shortcake. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh. Delicious. This is so delicious. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Delicious. It's so delicious. I can't stop. Mm. I want to go back to my fish. Oh well. I'm like, oh well. Oh, that looks delicious though. That fish was good. This looks delicious. That looks delicious. This looks delicious. That looks delicious. I'm gonna take one more bite of this. This is what I've been living on because I haven't been doing video. Mm. I'm gonna have to layer one in that champagne, in that wine glass like I did before. I had the wine glass and I had this strawberry shortcake in the wine glass. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. I'm at my, close to my first milestone, you guys. 100 videos. Where are they? I don't know. But I got 100 videos. I think I'm at about 97 now. Mm-hmm. This one would be about 98 or 99. If I can give them up, that will be wonderful. Amazing. Mm-hmm. A nice milestone like that. No videos. So I got to take the time to go back and put up one video at a time, I guess I better get started. I know you don't want to hear that crap. Anyway, I hope you had a good hump day. What's up Wednesday? I'm so excited. It's almost Christmas. Almost a new year, you guys. Oh. You just don't know. how happy I am. You just don't know. I was thinking about what I'm gonna have tomorrow. Maybe I'll fry fish. I don't know. Maybe fried fish, some tilapia. I put my camera on the tripod so I can show you my studio. Now the thing is so far away from me, I can't see the time. Such is life. Delicious. This is my favorite. And I have myself a cup of tea. That's what I'm gonna do. Have myself a cup of tea and hit it. I'm so happy it's Christmas time. It all gone the rain. Well, that would be good. That would be really, really good. That's why I like to buy my Christmas trees early, before the wind and the rain get to them. But this year I didn't get a tree. I got wreaths and poinsettias. Poinsettias. Well, I'd rather my grandchildren have the trees than me anyway. And my mother. Yeah. My mother and my grandchildren. Besides, I can always see the tree from their house. I don't need one. Ooh, the girl is getting full. I just looked at the clock, you guys. It is 1 a.m. So I'll give you a little shake. I don't want to get put out of here. One a.m. you guys. And I can feel every bit of it. I mean, you know, now I be in the studio and I start piddling. I looked at the clock and it said 7, then it said 8, and then 9 and 10 just, whoop, I guess that's when I was over there doing the cooking. Child. At least I don't have nothing to do but a skillet and the plates. Put the strawberries back because they go bad really, really quick. And I could just smell this. Strawberry creation. Man, oh man. And then I'm gonna have a cup of tea. Ooh, I am full.